Hello, this is the update for my game, The Labyrinth. I've been working on the hiding mechanisms and the picking up items with the inventory. So, without further ado, at the moment this area has two hiding places. I don't know why it's flickering so much now. Anyway, so this is our player at the moment. His sack is empty. Let's go to the first item. If we click on the torch, you see the sack now has something. The torch is in our sack. So if we go back to the player, you see at this point, this is his visibility, how visible he is to enemies, the noise he's producing, and the smell. These are all subject to change, of course. So we have a torch in our sack. The torch has its own attributes which you attach to each item. So when it gets equipped, when it's placed in one of the hands or in other means equipped, you will add those attributes uh, to the player. So if I press T, you will see the player. The player also has he has a left hand, right hand socket. So if I press T in the game, you'll see the torches come here. You also see the visibility went up to 170. If I take it out, it's up there. So obviously now you're holding a torch. Lots of Obviously it makes you a lot more visible than if you were hiding. I really don't know what's up with this flickering. Super strange. Isn't he doing it in the other game? Anyway, so let's go about talking about the hiding. So I wonder if it's the flame that I worked on the script for the flame. I wonder if that's it. I'll put that away. Yeah, it's something to do with the flame. Maybe the frames aren't fast enough. Alright, anyway, without the flame. As you can see here, this is one of our hiding spots. I've made a prefab for that also, so all you have to do is I'll explain to it a bit later. So if we come here and we left click, at this point you can't move the camera or anything. Once it gets in position, you can start moving it again. And if we have a look at the player here, what I've actually done, this is all subject to change when I actually put in the VR. What we've done is we shrink down the player's torso. So when I come out of it, he'll go back up again. Obviously, when this is in the VR, there'll be some kind of animation. So you'll come here, you'll click on this part, and then the camera will do a motion like you're crouching down and then you're sneaking in. But that's something I'll work on when I'm actually in the lab with the VR. As we're hiding now, so you see our visibility is dropped to 0. The noise is -10. Smell is 0. So if I have that, so if we turn on the torch under here, you'll notice our visibility goes up to 100 again. If I switch off the torch, orange 0. If I start moving out, once I go out, we're back to our normal. and you can do the same. So I've added another one with a cylinder there. So if we click on that, as I said, the animation would be different. You'd be jumping into the barrel, and the barrel has a little hole I've made here, so you can actually see. And again, if you have a look, there's a character controller in there. So again, you can just move out of the area, and then obviously that's you can jump on. I didn't notice you could jump on it. Anyway, there we go. So he's walking in there again. As we go out, he grows back to his normal size and ready to explore the world. So yeah, to check what the flames flickering along. Okay. Oh, that's all. I wanted to show the mechanism of hiding, how it affects the three basic attributes that we've got. And now I'll start working on the AI of the enemy. Try and fix that, since it's something that doesn't need the VR. That's all for now. Thanks.